That's all I'm getting is 13. So getting only 13 miles an hour, if it's going to go that slow, you should be able to get some decent mileage out of it. Well, so far I'm at almost 3/4 of a mile, and we have not hit any mountain. So we're hoping this just runs along Turtle Creek right here, and it just runs, you know, it'll just be a flat thing running along Turtle Creek. So wow. Oh yeah, this thing is real nice here, guys, real nice. Oh yeah, this is super nice. Well, at least with this bike, you can do some actual pedaling. If you want to get some exercise, you can actually do that with this thing. It's a big old pothole there. I don't know why that was there. Looked like somebody was trying to dig out a booby trap. There was another one there. Guess they must have had some work going on over here. Hi, guys. We've got a little bit of rocky conditions going on here. I think this is where I'm going to be bringing that other bike that I got too, that manual pedal thing. Hello. This part needs to be, yeah, they need to do some grading over here. Yeah, no kidding. There's an outhouse. It's like some kind of old factory or something. Oh, here's that other trailhead I saw on the map that I could have went to, but I just didn't. I would have went here, but I didn't know if there was any parking at this place. So now I am going to, of course, check it out while I'm here. All right? Okay. Yeah, I was wanting to see if there was any parking over here, because this going to this spot over here is actually closer to my house than that spot back there, even though that's only 2 miles away. I'm only 2 miles off of that part of the trail. So, how you doing, bud? Okay, so where would you park over here? Unless that's these people here. So you can't come up in here and park. Hold on, let's see what this says here. Trail crossing. There's an ice cream joint. So I don't see any parking over here. Let's just go this way a little bit. We're almost at the halfway mark, so we'll be turning back anyway. Okay, so you can park over there. Oh, I know where that place is. This is that BY Park. I know exactly where this is. I could just park my car over there. Yeah, this actually is not too far from my house. This BY Park. I've actually been over here before. I was gonna come over here, fly some drones once, but there was a bunch of people having a party and stuff here, so I didn't want to bother them, so. Okay, so I know exactly how to get there. All right, okay, so I'm just gonna turn back now. So we're doing well. We've made it 2.5 miles. We haven't broke down or nothing yet, so we're in good shape. I'm going to pull off the phone now because I've been getting some phone calls, but I will keep track of the app here to keep track of our distance, but I know we'll be at the 5 miles pretty much when we get back there. So I would have to park over there and then drive through here to get to this trail. I think people are parking right here along this wall here to park over here to use this trail. Like people got fishing shacks over there. I don't know what, unless there's somebody living in there. You know, that looks kind of bizarre. Oh, it's definitely a nice trail, no doubt. Okay, so it's a few miles more. I can still drive out to this spot here. It's not that big a deal. Okay, well, we still got all the bars on the battery, so we're gonna have to get out here and do this range test. Okay, I think I'll take it over to Sutersville for that. How you doing, bud? That place too. That's another spot that's pretty bad. I know that phone holder is rattling, right? And everybody knows how much I hate rattling. Okay, well, we stopped that. Unfortunately, it took me a few minutes to notice that that was happening. I was dodging the potholes, okay, so. There's a ton of guys out here fishing. I'm just not the fisherman. You know, I go to get the fillet of fish. You know, at McDonald's, that's more my speed. So anyway, when you come out here, there's a restroom, as you see that right there. So at least they have that. So I'm gonna try the other side of the trail here. It looks like it might have a little uphill grade. Let's stop for a second and check our mileage, because I think we are pretty close to the 5 miles. 4.88, so we're just gonna go for a little bit longer. But so far we haven't had any issues. We got 1 bar missing. We're 2 bars missing now that I gave it all the throttle. But if I go on pedal assist, it'll go back up to 1 bar missing. Just pedaling. Hello. But yeah. So there you go. So I'm gonna do the range test next. I'll go out to Sutersville. Maybe Shorty will want to check the bike out, so I'll go let him take a look at it. That's the turnpike or something above us. Yeah, I think it is. I think that's the turnpike. Yep. Oh, and it's all backed up too. There's something going on there. Yep. Oh man, it's really jammed up. I wonder if they had an accident or something up there. The part that's going east is fine. Going west is stopped. This is a pretty cool trail area here, guys. Pretty nice. And here is I don't know what that's there for, but I guess for storage, probably for trail supplies, graders and stuff like that, because they do grade these. I seen them. They had like a bunch of box springs, and they hook them onto a chain onto the back of a truck, and they drive them down back and forth across these trails. So yeah, there's a nice e-bike. I don't know what kind it was, but he was hauling pretty good there. Yeah, so we made the 5 miles and everything's going great, running great. So we're not having any issues at all. Actually, I cut this kind of side of the trail better than the other side. I'm gonna have to look on my map to see how far this goes. But I am going to turn around now. Well, first of all, I like it better because it looks like there's less people, okay? For one thing. Okay, so that's always a plus. Oh well, we're getting back close to the car, so we're going to be wrapping this up here any second. Yep, I told you there was some kind of accident up there on that turnpike. I can hear the sirens. Alrighty guys, we are going to stop right here because I have to make a phone call, but the car is right there. It's right there across the street. But nevertheless, we're going to wrap it up, and we went 6.83 miles for the 5-mile break-in. So have a nice day.